Hi, welcome to a new NIBI video. I know it's been a while since the last one, so I hope you're doing very well on the other side of the screen. This is going to be a bit of information that we've probably heard before, but there is a question. So, in which one do you live? Some of these photographs are from 1973 all the way through to 2015. More computer generated imagery of the fake globe Earth image. 4 different space agency photographs: America, Russia, Japan and Europe, showing different. And the latest from Amethyst, 2026. This is the latest Earth picture. Have you thought maybe it's this? The original azimuthal equidistance projection of the Earth. Look very closely, because here's an interesting fact for all you flat Earth fact fans out there. Look at this image. This very, very special image. Why do all the agencies of the Earth use the azimuthal equidistant projection for the symbol instead of using a globe Earth represented here? Why do they not use this? There's a very big reason why, and it's in plain sight. The Earth, the projection, the actual Earth itself, this taken in an airport, which will show you the Earth is an azimuthal equidistant projection and not what this will always be, a computer generated image. Even today in 2026. Are flat earthers bringing you down? If so, try this. Suck on that dummy. No offence, of course, all within sort of jest, but you know, have you taken your medication? Your NASA medication? Gravity, curve and globe. It's indoctrinated throughout your daily life. You'll hear it constantly. Gravity, no such thing. We've known for a long time gravity doesn't exist. Water doesn't stick to the outside of anything. This is all an image. If you pause the images, you can see it's all density and mass, and different weights of objects in water will float, will sort of have their own sort of unique density to it. Nothing to do with gravity. The no such curve to the Earth. This is what a reflection on a curve would look like. And indeed, this is what a reflection on a plane looks like. Can you see the difference? This is what the sun looks like in reality. And again, this is what car headlights look like on a flat surface. The vanishing point, the laws of perspective apply to our reality too, not just for the artist on the canvas and paper. It is impossible for the sun to appear to change in size if the sun is millions of miles away. The sun is much smaller because it traverses the Earth, circulates the Earth for everything that we have. These are interesting memes that you don't see now much in the mainstream media. The globe, this is a circle and this is a sphere. A circle is round, a sphere is marble. It's a marble shape. Please take all the time you need. An oblated spheroid or a pear-shaped. The Earth is neither of these shapes. It will always be flat on the screen and when you see level. Always. Whenever you see a picture of a globe, it will be flat. Just like Lake Baikal in Siberia, nearly 400 miles long, with no 20 miles of curve. The Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles an hour. No, it's not. If it was, hold on tight. Take it back. Religions lie, government lies, science lies, the educational system lies. Don't be a sheep. Flat Earth truth will end the spinning globe lie. All of these you can research in much detail. It's getting very difficult now to find the information, but you can research all of this independently. All of these things prove there are no spinning globe. Try to understand these things. Don't be a fool. Aries, Michelson, Morley, Gale, Bedford, Sagnac, gyroscopes, flat bodies of water. They will always prove, no matter how big this Earth is, every inch of this water will be flat. The oceans, the seas, they are flat. Water always seeks to find its level. The natural physics of large bodies of water are non-negotiable. This is the border that surrounds the Earth, the Antarctica ice wall. These are photographs that are actually taken from National Geographic. So the credibility of this, just look there, National Geographic. This is an amazing photograph of the wall, the actual ice wall that surrounds the Earth. As you can clearly see, we circulate the Earth in a circle, traverse the waters in a circle, no need to go around a marble. We go around in the circle to the direct north point, which is the magnetic monopole, which the general population do not have access to, and this is the magnetic powerhouse that guides the compass. There's no south pole, so it can't point south. It goes around and points north. There is only north because it is the only apex point of magnetism. This is the treaty signed by everybody on the azimuthal equidistant projection, which is geocentric, of course, not heliocentric, heliocentric. You know, it's a plane reality. These are flights by an airplane that flies to an airport that flies on condensed air and certainly not sort of jet fuel. Again, distances from Cape Town, South Africa to Sydney, Australia, on the azimuthal equidistant, which again has the luminaries, the zodiac signs that are all circulating above. And if you do have the capabilities to zoom in to these luminaries and the stars, these are what you will actually see. Again, an interesting photograph of the sun being very close to the Earth, which creates a hot spot on the clouds, which is above. And again, real photographs of wandering stars, certainly not terra firma, certainly not planets that we can certainly walk on. Again, the seasons, the time zones, it is all calculated from a azimuthal equidistant projection. And another interesting point is not a Van Allen belt, a so-called belt, but the firmament itself, as there's sort of no way out. This is what I believe is our home. This is home, in my belief. So thank you very much indeed for your time with me on this 10-minute upload. Hopefully I'll get to do some more now recently, so thank you very much indeed. Much love to you, and God bless.